Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable Read Receipts Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to disable Read Receipts Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To disable Read Receipts, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Privacy menu. Now here in the Privacy menu there are several menu options. Here there is the Writing Read Receipts. And tap. The function of this feature if disabled is that the read mark will not appear, so the recipient can read the message without notifying the sender. This is useful for users who want to maintain more privacy in communication. So that's it, tutorial how to disable Read Receipts Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.